In this video, we're going to learn how to convert yards to meters and meters to yards. So before we convert or make any conversions, there's a constant conversion term that I want you to know. So for every yard, so 1 yard is equal to 0.9144 meters. Okay, so in this case we are converting 15 yards to meters. We know that 15 yards, since we do not know the equivalent value of meters, we represent it using x meters. Okay, so for a value of x, we cross multiply. So this is x times 1, x times 1, and then this is equal to 15 times 0.9144 meters. So 15 times 0.9144 meters, and then this x times 1 is x, and then this is equal to 15 times 0.9144 is equal to 13.716 meters. So this simply means that the equivalent of 15 yards to meters is 13.716 meters. So say we are take another example and we have to convert 12 yards to meters. You may want to pause the video and try this one out yourself. So it's still the same idea. Our constant conversion terms is 1 yard is equal to 0.9144 meters, and then 12 yard should be equal to x. 12 yards should be equal to x. Now we do not know the value of the meters, that's why I used x here. So cross multiply, we know that x times 1 is equal to 12 times 0.9144. Okay, so that x times 1 is equal to x, and then this is equal to 12 times 0.9144 is equal to 10.9728 meters. Okay, so let's take another example again. Okay, so for our third example, we have 20 meters to yards. So unlike before, we are converting meters to yards now, but it's still going to be the same idea. So we are still going to say 1 yard is equal to 0.9144 meters. Okay, and then x yard, because we do not know the value of yards, x yard should now be equal to 20 meters. Okay, so to get our value of x, we cross multiply. So we know that 20 times 1 is equal to x times 0.9144. So that 20 times 1 is 20, and then this is equal to 0.9144x. Okay, so that x is equal to 20 divided by 0.9144. If you divide both sides by 0.9144, this is what you should get. So 20 divided by 0.9144 is 21.8723 yard. Okay, so 3 yard. So this is the equivalent of 20 meters to yards. So let's quickly take another example for you to get it better. So for another example, say we have 50 meters to yards. Okay, so you can pause the video and try this one out yourself. But like before, we have the constant conversion terms. 1 yard is equal to 0.9144. So this means that x yards, which we do not know, is equal to 50 meters. Is meters. Okay, so to get our value of x, we cross multiply, and then we have x times 0.9144 is equal to 50 times 1. Okay, so this is now x times 0.9144 is 0.9144x is equal to 50. So dividing both sides by 0.9144 is x is equal to 50 divided by 0.9144. Okay, so this is equal to 54.681 to 3 decimal places. Okay, so this means that x is now equal to 54.681 yard. Okay, so if you like the video, leave a thumbs up button, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.